do you deal with a breakup?
Chocolate.
I think concentration.
I go talk to my friends. I just move away from this kind of relationships and all. That's it.
Tell them it's okay. They'll get over it. You deserve better. Things like that.
Watch sports, work out, eat. Keep eating.
And wine, and lots of wine.
Get rid of things that would constantly remind you of a person, because that obviously can affect you to in a major way. I think I don't believe in love, so I think you can just move on. It's okay.
You could just move on and talk to people around. That's it.
Go out with your girlfriends and go shopping.
Have a fun day out with your friends.
Let it be. It'll be all right after some time. You might not be able to let go in some time, but you will eventually. And the men won't be able to let go of you eventually, but you would have. So let it be.
For me, how to deal with breakups would be, you have to think about what went wrong, what was the problem in the relationship.
Spend more time with your friends, then go for a trip. That would also support you. And don't stop thinking about the other person always. Get rid of that. That's it.
Yeah, meditation, concentration.
Move on with some other girl. For a boy.
I think you should do what makes you happy, and you should keep yourself busy most of the time. Yeah. And shop a lot.
And actually cry as much as you want to for that thing, then later don't cry.
I think we should talk a lot about it. I'm a person who, I should just let it out, because if I keep it inside me, it's going to damage me totally. And breakup, you should express it. You shouldn't compress it inside. Keep it inside within yourself.
I think the best way is to discover yourself, because I think you have to kind of give up, or not give up, but compromise a little part of yourself every time you're in a relationship with someone. So coming back afterwards and being well, who am I the person? Why did that relationship make me better? Why did it make me worse? Really just a reflection process. I think it's really healthy.